Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Calendly for LinkedIn booking links, complete guide step by step clearly. To start registering with Calendly, go to the Calendly website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will see options to sign up using your email, Google account, or Microsoft account. Choose your preferred sign up method. If you choose email, enter your email address and create a password. If you opt for Google or Microsoft, follow the prompts to link your account. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message. Click on the confirmation link in the email to validate your account. Once confirmed, log in to your Calendly account. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Follow the prompts to set up your profile and preferences. Choose your time zone to ensure accurate scheduling. Next, set your availability by selecting the days and times you are free for meetings. Click on event types to create different types of meetings. Select Create Event Type and choose between one-on-one, group, or collective events. Fill in the details for your event, such as title, duration, and description. You can also customize your event settings, like buffers between meetings or maximum events per day. Once you finish setting up your event, click Save and Close. To get your booking link, go back to the main dashboard. Find the event you just created and click on Copy Link. This link is unique to your event type and can now be shared. To integrate this link with LinkedIn, log in to your LinkedIn profile. Navigate to the section where you want to add your booking link, such as your profile summary or a post. Paste the Calendly link in the desired location. Optionally, you can write a brief note encouraging connections to book time with you. Review your LinkedIn profile to ensure the link works as intended. Test the link by clicking on it to see if it redirects to your Calendly booking page. That's it. Your Calendly registration and LinkedIn integration are now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.